Hey everyone, welcome back to YouTech. Today I am going to show you how to use AI to make video editing using Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is a video editing software that uses artificial intelligence to streamline the editing process. It covers the basics of video editing for YouTube, highlighting features such as AI music generator, video background remover, AI vocal remover, and AI text to video. The software is available for multiple platforms. So get ready to be amazed by features that will save you time, boost your creativity, and make your videos to the next level. So the download link of this software is available in the video description. After installation, launch this. First up, let's talk about the AI music generator. Imagine never having to search for royalty-free music again. This feature is a game changer. So navigate to the audio tab and click on AI music option and click on start to open the AI music generator window. This is where the magic happens. You can choose different modes like happy, sad, epic, hopeful, funny, suspense, dreamy, peaceful, etc. Next, you can choose theme for your vlogs, travel, ads, gaming, comedy, cooking, fashion and beauty, drama, etc. And next, choose genre. We have different options like pop, beats, hip hop, rock, drum and bass, etc. And choose a tempo. You want a slow and chill vibe or something fast paced and energetic. Then set the duration up to 5 minutes and it can generate up to 6 different music tracks to find the perfect one. Once you have chosen your settings, click start and let the AI work its magic. It might take a few moments depending on your internet connection. Alright, the AI has done its thing. Now you can listen to each track, play them back and see which one best fits your video. And then simply click on plus icon to use it into your videos. Next we have the mind-blowing video background remover. If you are struggling with green screens or messy backgrounds, Wondershare Filmora 13 can remove the video background very easily, all without the hassle of a green screen with just a few clicks. To begin, go ahead and import your video you want to edit, drag and drop it onto the timeline, double click on your video clip. This opens up the editing panel, click on AI tools and you will see a whole bunch of cool options. Go ahead and activate AI portrait by clicking the toggle switch. Instantly, Filmora's AI should automatically detect the main subject in your video and remove the background. Pretty impressive, but let's fine-tune things a bit. You can adjust the edge thickness to control how tightly the effect hugs your subject's outline. Play around with the slider until you get a clean separation. Next to edge thickness, you will see edge feather. This controls how smooth the transitions is between your subject and the transparent background. Increase the feathering for a softer, more natural look. And now you can replace the removed background with anything you like. You can add a new image, another video, or even a colorful solid background. The possibilities are endless. Now let's talk about AI vocal remover. Love a clip but hate the background music or talking? The AI vocal remover comes to the rescue. This feature analyzes your audio and removes vocals with impressive accuracy. Then you can replace with your own voiceover, music or sound effects. Select the music clip in the timeline and go to the Tools tab. From the drop-down menu, choose the audio option and select AI vocal remover. AI will start processing and bring 2 new audio tracks within seconds. The first track is the vocal version where AI adds only the vocals of the music. In the second track, you will get the background music that sounds only background when played. And now let's explore the power of text to video. If you have a script or a blog post you want to turn into a video, this AI feature takes your text and transforms it into a visually engaging scenes. It can not only turn your text into video but also allow you to edit the video. The AI assistant will help you in creating a perfect script for any topic within seconds. If you don't have any script, click on Generated by AI option to specify the type of text from the drop-down list. Enter your topic name, provide additional details, and click Generate Text to proceed. After adding the script, customize settings like text language from the available options and select the AI voices from the given option and choose the aspect ratio. After it, click on text to video. This way, AI will create a video for you in seconds that will contain voiceovers, background music, images and videos. You can customize the video to make it more relatable to your topic. It can even enable you to change the background music. Finally, you can further edit your project or export by using the export button. Apart from AI features, Wondershare Filmora 13 has awesome other features that can take your video editing to the next level, like speed ramping, instant mode and preset templates. So whether you are a beginner or a seasoned editor, these tools can save you time and add some serious creativity to your project. Now let's talk about speed ramping. This technique allows you to slow down or speed up specific section of your video footage for dramatic effect. So right click on the video or audio clip and tap on the speed icon on the toolbar, then choose speed ramping. In the speed ramping panel, you can customize the speed or select the speed preset such as montage, hero moment, bullet time, jumper, flash in and flash out. You can choose the preset speed ramps or you can customize your creative ones. You can adjust the video keyframe speed, drag the keyframe dot upward or downward to control the point speed. Besides that, you can maintain the audio pitch whatever the video speeds up or slow down. If you feel satisfied after the adjustments, you can click OK to save the settings. Otherwise, you can click on the reset button to restore the previous settings. And now let's talk about instant mode. This is a fantastic feature for anyone who wants to create a video quickly and easily. When you launch Filmora, you will see the option for instant mode on the startup screen. Click on it and you will be presented with a library of pre-made video templates. These templates come with transitions, effects and even titles already built in. You can browse the selection and find a template that fits the style and mood of your video. And now let's explore preset templates. These are similar to instant mode templates, but they offer a bit more flexibility. With preset templates, you get pre-designed elements like titles, transitions, and lower thirds that you can drag and drop onto your video project. Preset templates are a great way to add a professional touch to your video without having to design everything from scratch. So these are just a few of the incredible AI features in Wondershare Filmora 13. Whether you are a seasoned editor or just starting out, these tools will streamline your workflow, unleash your creativity, and help you produce professional looking videos. So the link is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question, and I will see you in the next video.